Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm teacher Casey and today I'm really excited to bring a new fun and exciting thing to my channel. I actually came upon this myself. So this was not someone reaching out to me for a collaboration. This was something I had found and I wanted to bring it to you. And so I messaged the company. They sent me a free box. It did get a little squished in the mail, but it's called edZOOcation. And I reached out to them and asked them if I could let everybody know about this box that I had found. And they were kind enough to let me be an affiliate and bring this box to you. I haven't opened the box. All I did was open it, unstick the little sticky, and I don't have a big script for you today or anything. It's just coming out of me opening this box and some information I found about this company. So I hope you enjoy it and let me know what you think. So the edZOOcation subscription box, it's an exciting and educational service, and it's designed to ignite the love of learning in children. I love animals. I love to teach about animals. And most of all, I found that 50% of the money that edZOOcation, the proceeds, are donated to wildlife conservation. So I highly recommend you check out their website and see which conservation efforts they put their monies toward. Okay, so I just found that exciting and amazing and was ready to jump in right away. So each month, subscribers will receive a curated box filled with hands-on activities, educational materials, and engaging resources that make learning fun and interactive. I did see there were 2 boxes. I'll put something on the screen for you to see, or maybe I should just share my screen. But they did have 2 size boxes and what do I want to say, different things. So the one I received is ages 3 to 5, and then they have one that's higher up from there. So all right, what else did I want to tell you? There's so much to tell you before I open this box. It does say that this box is carefully crafted by a team of educators and experts who understand the importance of providing stimulating learning experiences outside of the traditional classroom. The contents of the box are tailored to specific age groups. That's what I was just talking about, ensuring that activities are age appropriate and aligned with educational standards. And to me, when I saw this box, I thought, wow, I wonder which standards this would hit for teachers or for homeschooling parents. So inside the box, you can expect to find a variety of educational materials and tools related to different subjects, such as science, mathematics, language arts, history, and more. So let's just get into the box and see what it has in there. All right, so this one was about the gorilla. Oh, can you see him? He's so cute. So that's him. Looks like a silverback. Let's see what we can learn from him. It does say wildlife tree on here, and there's a little sticker, and oh, that's cute, a little beanbag thing right here. Let's see, what else? Looks like we have some tempera paint, some crayons. What else do we have? Let's see. Oh, and it does show here that 50% of the proceeds from this edZOOcation box will be donated to, and this one says conservation through public health, and it gives you a little bit of information there. And on the back, it tells you about what they're up to and how they're helping. edZOOcation readers, yes. So I just thought, when I saw this box, there's still something in there, but when I saw this box, I was thinking, I love the plush, so you can talk about the animal. I love the book. I love nonfiction books for my students. I, of course, like fiction too, but I love nonfiction. I love science. So they talk about their mission to inspire a new generation of wildlife guardians. So that's their mission. Oh, it's so cute. I just want to show you some pages. I don't know if I'm allowed to show a bunch, but I'll just show you a couple. But look at these pictures and pages, and so cute. Can you see those? You don't have a tail either. Oh, and it's actually a nice book here. It's 25 pages after the draw that's the last page here on the back cover. It shows 25, but it's about 22, 23 with pictures and writing. And then remember, this is for the little kid box. This is the little youngin. So it has G is for gorilla. G. It says color each piece, have an adult adult help you cut out each shape, and then you glue them together and you make the little gorilla guy. Super cute. And then how big is your hand? And the reason for the paint that they gave you was that so you can put the child's handprint over this and see how big their hand is compared to the gorilla's hand. So I thought that was so cute. I would love to know your thoughts. I have a little bit more information for you, but go ahead and put a comment below. What did you think of the box? Did you think it was super cute for ages 3 to 5? I like that it had a letter with it, so gorilla. I liked the reader. I like that the proceeds go to conservation efforts, little sticker. And then this little guy is cute too. And then we got the little gorilla plush, and then the paint, so the child can paint their hand, or you can paint it for them and they can squish it to see how big it is, and then some crayons. I think I got everything. I thought it was so cute. Let me take a look at the website. Maybe I'll share it with you and you can see what I am looking at. I went to this website one time and I thought, oh, I have got to tell people about this. So I don't know if you're as excited as I am. Maybe not, maybe so. They did give me an affiliate link, and I will put that below in the description box. I will get, I think, 10% off of someone signing up for subscriptions, only on the first one, so it's not something reoccurring for me. But most of all, I just wanted to spread the word and show this box because I think it's really cool. Okay, I'm sharing my screen now, so hopefully you can see what I'm looking at. This is the edZOOcation website, and fun for every wild child. It's just so cute. See what's inside the box, full size, high quality plush animal, things like that. So they have different kinds of things. You can see this student had owls here. This one had the bear, and then it talks about their wildlife conservation efforts and some of the partners, teacher approved, zookeeper reviewed, some past subscription boxes. I wonder if you could get some past ones. I would put these all around my classroom if I still had my kindergarten class. But you can come watch some videos. The other thing I wanted to share with you was the pricing. And hopefully you can see this child's age. And it shows from $24.95 from $34.95. So those are the different plans, the different payments. So of course, if you do 12 months, it's less, and free shipping, things like that. So that's what the different prices are for. So if you have any questions at all, send them my way. And if I don't have an answer for you, I will try to find one. Like I said, this was something I reached out to them asking if I could bring it out to everybody. They did not contact me, so I don't really have a contact over there, but they did send me an email and I could message them and talk to them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love to know your thoughts. Please subscribe, like, and share. All right, everyone, we'll talk to you next time. Goodbye.